Welcome everyone to HueFin News, also known as HFN. Today is the 22nd day of March 2020. Time to update you all on Bitcoin and our price prediction, our forecast about the expectations on where this cryptocurrency is going to go. And we do got some things to talk about concerning some things that we are seeing on the daily and weekly time frames. All right. Now, before I get started in that forecast, I always want to remind you, if you all appreciate our video content, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, hit that bell notification so you become notified whenever we upload our videos to this particular platform. If you want to see other price predictions and forecasts, you got to go to our website, HueFinancial.com, become one of our community members, and then you all will be able to see our expectations on a plethora of other cryptocurrencies and stocks that we are tracking. Again, join us. So now, Bitcoin, we're going to give you the overall price history of the market in Bitcoin since our last video, which was right there on the 17th day of March. And here you are, profit done, money in the bag. Right here, we expected the market in Bitcoin to see higher price. At best, you could have got 7.84% out the market. If you're still into the trade today and you were to get out, you'd be up 11.5%. Simple, right? All right. So now, since that is old news and old history, we need to get rid of it and talk about what we're noticing on the market now in Bitcoin. And definitely, there is some cause of concern concerning the market in Bitcoin. And in a simplistic form, I would just tell you that based off the last 4 trading days in the market in Bitcoin, is clear as day. The market had tagged $6,400 4 consecutive days in a row. That is negative because it wasn't able to break above it. When you have these consecutive days of the market trying to break a resistance area and it continues to fail, that's weakness. Okay, so just off that alone is how we're going to play this market movement to the downside. It doesn't take rocket science to dispel the fact that the market in Bitcoin is weak. And you know that because right here on the 25th of November 2019, and then again on the 18th day of December 2019, the market came and held that same location for support. And now we are finding a very hard resistance area trying to break up above it now in Bitcoin. And the market is just not showing its ability to do that. So we're weak, plain and simple. So nothing hard about it. That $6,400 area in the market of Bitcoin is plaguing this coin. And that's why we're seeing weakness and movement to the downside right now as I speak. Looking at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. Again, when you see on a weekly time frame, the market in Bitcoin came and tagged 7,000 this week, but it wasn't successful of breaking and closing above it. Again, weakness. And if we close below $6,000 on this weekly price bar, Bitcoin is going to continue to see weakness and movement to the downside in the long term. So yes, Bitcoin in the long term is still giving us a lot of weakness. The market continues to show us that it's not primed and ready yet for higher price. And just to be blunt with you, Bitcoin is anticipated to move lower. So that's how we're going to play the market in Bitcoin. Simple to see and simple to understand. So let's play this market in Bitcoin to the downside. We're going to hold $6,400 for resistance, and we're going to bring it all the way back down to our overall long-term ascending line that we've been tracking. You guys can see right here. Okay, now we might just TP the market in Bitcoin, I would say around like 56. Let me tag it up a little bit higher. I would say $5,700 would be where a TP area would be at in Bitcoin. So 57, be about 3.5% profit into the market. So yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is weak. We're going to continue to play the market weakness to the downside in this coin. and we're going to play it all the way down towards this ascending line, which is like 18% from where we are right now. Okay, so again, 5,700 will be our initial TP, but again, it could go a lot lower than that as we go throughout this upcoming week. Questions, comments, you know where we at. Definitely follow us on our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to see our other updates. We're the only location that's giving you a heads up as to what's going to happen into the market before it actually gets there. Join us and trade different.